Nearly 2 weeks ago, Iceland's newest volcano started to erupt, but the catch is it's a 14-kilometre hike over the mountains and it's only accessible in good weather. So I'm hiring a car, I'm taking my little yellow tent, and I'm hoping that I get a weather window in the next week to go and see this volcano. Good morning, happy Monday as they say. I'm about to pack up the tent and leave. So this has been my home for the last 5 nights. It's not a bad tent. It's just not a lot of living space. And it's soaking wet every morning, so it's going to have to sit in the car to dry. But it's coming down. how close to the airport am I? Well, there's the hotel, and there's 2 planes. Okay, I haven't done my walk today, so we're going to walk around this interesting area. This is half industrial estate, and I think this is half leftover American Army base, because Keflavik Airport in the war was an American Army base. Hotel 2 doors down. To be honest, looks slightly more upmarket than mine, but not finding these very accurate translations. Don't speak a lot of Icelandic, but those are not the translations. This area is spectacularly uninspiring, but it's not a bad mountain view, is it? And if the eruption was still going on, if it was still making lots of smoke, you'd be able to see it from here. I mean, you can see it from almost everywhere, but you'd really be able to see it from here. Now, I know at one point on the hike you could see all of this. So you can see the hike from here, I just don't know which bit it is. There, ooh, that is the power station next to the Blue Lagoon, and the hike would be somewhere over here, I guess. Now, all of these places have a 3-digit house number, so that's 754, that's 755, oh, that's 738 there. My hotel is 747, and then I guess that hangar is also on this road, and that's number 831. I would have said the great big black hangar is probably an adequate address. And home. Well, home for like 8 hours. This is the trouble with these early morning and late night flights. Pay for a hotel room and get 5 minutes use out of it. I am going to go back and have a shower and wash all the filth out of my hair, get packed, and then I'll be done. And then I'm going to be up at 4 o'clock in the morning for a flight at 7:40. Oh.